Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Hisense model and OS so you know if Play Store is compatible. Connect the TV to reliable Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account. This makes app installs manageable. Once done, open Settings and enable the option for unknown sources or developer mode if the system requires sideloading. This step matters because many TVs don't ship with Play Store pre-installed. Enabling these options lets you install necessary APKs safely and prepares the device for the next steps. Now you obtain the correct APK files: Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, then Google Play Store. Use a USB drive or a Network File Manager app to move files to the TV and make sure each APK matches your OS architecture and Android version. Mismatches cause crashes. Install them in order: Framework first, then Services, then the Store, and after installing Google Play Services, reboot the TV to let background processes initialize. This ordering ensures dependencies are met. Finish by launching the Google Play Store and signing in. Allow it to update Google Play Services if prompted so apps run smoothly. If the store crashes or shows errors, clear cache and app data from settings, then reinstall the specific APK that fails. This often resolves registration or signature conflicts. If nothing works, back up your settings and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure your Wi-Fi and Google account credentials are correct before trying again to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.